Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I'm sure a lot of you have already seen the tutorial for these twists that I did. I just blow dried my hair and twisted it up. So if you haven't seen that, I will put the video down below. It has been, I did it Sunday, today is Thursday. So 5 days that I've been wearing these twists and it's been such a lifesaver. Haven't had to wake up and just worry about my hair at all. I can just like get up and go. I think the baby is starting to get fussy, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and do this video. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But anyways, yeah, I'm a little bummed because, I mean, it's starting to get like a little frizzy. You can see right here, I accidentally pulled a piece out because my clip thingy got stuck to it. But I'm a little bummed because I was recently contacted by a company to do a video with them and they like wanted it up ASAP, like literally. So you guys know, I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber, so this is kind of my job now, so I wasn't gonna pass that up. So I gotta take these down. Yeah. I have so much freaking hair. But yeah, I'm going to unravel these and pretty much just show you what it looks like as a twist out, because like I said, these are a 2-in-1 style. So yeah, if you want to see how my twist out ends up looking, then just stay tuned. So I am just putting some drops of oil onto my hands to help with separating. You can use whatever oil you want. You can use whatever oil you want, but let's get to separating. Actually, I'll start with the front so you guys can actually see. So it's super defined. But I'm just going to speed up through the rest of the process because I'm sure you guys know how to unravel twists. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like unraveled. It looks really, really good to not have even separated it even more. This is just how it looks like, literally undoing all of the twists, and it's so defined. I am going to separate just a little bit like in the back, since these ones were a little bit more chunky than the front, just to give it a little bit more volume. Okay, so I separated the back just a little bit more. I'm trying to debate if I want to touch the top. I'm not sure. I don't want to manipulate it too much, and I actually like this chunky look. So I'm going to, where's my comb? Just puff up my roots a little bit. You guys know lifting these roots adds volume, and you guys know I like big hair. Like, can't you see the difference already just from doing that? So, and my hair's still nice and soft. It's not tangled. I can feel in the roots, like I can actually comb through it. that. I think that's a good volume, yeah. If you look at the comparison. So let me do this side and then I'll show you guys the finished result. Alright, you guys, so this is what my twist out looks like. And I really like it. I feel like I need to fluff a little bit better on, I don't even know which side it is. Is it this one? I think it might be this side. Anytime I fluff my hair, I never feel like it's even, which always irritates me. But let me stop trying to make it all perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. But yeah. I had to go step into my mirror, you know, to do the extra work. But I did go ahead and separate the top a little bit more, just so it could be a lot more fuller like it is. And I literally love this, you guys. Like, if I could blow dry my hair every time I twist it up, which I probably could, but you know, I don't want to constantly use heat, then yeah, my twist outs would just be so bomb, because this is like everything. It has definition, it has length. Like, if my hair looked like this is probably one of my hair goals, for my hair to look like this when I do it on wet hair, which I feel like is gonna be forever. But yeah, super duper cute. Now the only thing with doing twist outs on dry hair is it is not going to last as long as it does with wet hair. That's just how it is. There is a little freaking net, or them little freaking flies. Did I get it? I don't know if I got it. And it keeps freaking flying in front of my house. I promise you guys, I'm not dirty, I'm not nasty. We have bananas, and I probably need to throw them away. But yeah. So yeah, I don't want to keep you guys just sitting here and watching me play with my hair. But I love my hair. I'm about to take me some pictures. And yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to try out this style, because this is just cute. Like, I don't even know who I am right now. Like, this is so cute. So yeah, this is probably one of my best twist outs ever. So if you like this, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.